Welcome back to Rosemarie's Kitchen and Merry Christmas. For Christmas, it's a holiday season and you'll always find my mother's chicken soup, but with her version of German dumplings. It is always on our table without fail for any major holiday, especially Christmas. So I have 2 chicken breasts with the skin on that I have rinsed and dried. I'm just going to put them into boiling water. And then I'm going to put in whole vegetables just to season and flavor the water while the chicken cooks. And this is a sweet potato, a potato, onion, celery, and carrot. I'm going to put a little bit of the 3 mixture, and that's it for now until the chicken cooks. What I usually do with the chicken soup is to clarify it by putting it through a sieve, and then I add back the vegetables and about half the broth. If I need more broth, I will add a box of chicken broth. I need a lot of broth for the dumplings. And bring that up to boil again. So now I'm just going to take the big meat off of the chicken, so it's more soup size. We're going to add back the chicken. And I'll taste it, see if we need some more pepper. Doesn't need anything else. And now I'm going to use about a cup. I'm going to start with a cup. I might need 2 of this. Doesn't have to be exact because we'll modify this as we go. And I need 2 eggs. The dumplings have to set for about 15 or 20 minutes. When you put the dumplings into the soup, the key is that the soup must be at a rapid boil, and you must first put the spoon and put it in the soup first, and then put it into the dumplings, and then it all falls off really easily. If it floats to the top, then it's good. If not, I adjust it. And there you have dumplings. Until next time in Rosemarie's Kitchen, Merry Christmas.